Is your ClickUp acting like a time traveler, showing yesterday's tasks on your shiny new phone? Let's fix that broken sync right now, so your team is always in the loop. First things first, the simple refresh on the device where you're not seeing the updates. Try a manual refresh for web apps. This usually means refreshing your browser page on desktop apps. Look for a refresh button or try closing and reopening the application sometimes. It's just a temporary glitch that a quick restart can fix. Next up, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for ClickUp to sync effectively. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data signal if you're on unstable Wi-Fi. Try switching to a different network or using your mobile data temporarily. Now, let's address a common culprit. Offline mode. ClickUp has an offline mode that allows you to work without an internet connection, but it requires syncing back up when you regain connectivity. Navigate to your ClickUp settings and ensure that offline mode is turned off. If you expect real-time updates, if it's on, try toggling it off and on again. Sometimes, the issue isn't the sync itself, but an unsaved change. If you've been editing a task, quickly add a small detail or a comment and save it. This forces ClickUp to push your recent changes and can often trigger a broader sync for other tasks as well. If the above steps don't work, it might be time to clear your ClickUp app's cache on mobile devices. Go into your device's app settings, find ClickUp, and look for an option to clear cache or data on desktop. You might need to uninstall and reinstall the ClickUp application. This clears out any corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with the sync process. As a last resort, if you've tried all these steps and your tasks are still playing hide and seek, it's time to reach out to ClickUp support. They have tools to diagnose deeper issues and can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting. Visit their help center online and submit a support ticket with details about the problem you're experiencing. By following these steps, you can get your ClickUp tasks sync back on track, ensuring your entire team is always on the same page and your project progress remains flawlessly accurate. Happy syncing!